here. Today I'm gonna show you an application that makes your game have background music, so you can hear it, I think. Wait. The background music. So yeah, I'll show you the application. Just a second. Here, it's called Minecraft Soundboard, and you can change the song. You can go here on sound. You don't need internet to load the sounds here. This app is very old, so the door doesn't sound like the one right now, even the arrow, but some like the one they sound the same like right now, but not all. Okay. I'll just leave that there. So yeah, I'll just leave the download in the description for this application. It's very old already, that's why it's not in Google Play. So I'll just leave the download link in the description. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.